Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about stack and its implementation in array. Here is the definition. Stack is a list in which insertion and deletion can be performed only at one end. Stack is a LIFO data structure. Stack is a static data structure because size is decided at the time of coding. LIFO stands for last in, first out. We can implement stack by using array over linked list or by using structure. Here is the pictorial representation of the stack. There are two basic operations in stack. First one is push, means adding elements into stack. Like we are going to add E into the stack by using this end, and the same end for the pop. So second one is pop, delete element from the stack by using the same end. And here is the top of the stack, which is E, and top here, which is B. Important points: stack is empty if top is equal to -1. So if top is equal to -1, then stack will be the empty. If top is equal to 0, then stack have one element. Like if top is here, then stack have only one element. n-1 stack is full. Now it is the time for the implementation. So here is our program: stack printf integer choice, declare a integer type array, 5 elements, and top of the stack is -1 because there is no element in the stack. And after that, here change the names in the menu: push, pop, and display. And create push pop display functions. First create push function, void push, then void pop, and after that void display function, like this way. So run and compile to check the working of the program. So good. Here check where is the top, and for that, if top is equal to 4, it means stack have 5 values, because starting from 0 to 4 have 5 values. So we can say that stack is full. So print a message, new line, stack is full, new line. And otherwise, by using printf and scanf, display a message, enter a value, and declare another variable v, or declare it an int v scanf v and v and t top, but first add top is equal to top plus 1, and here display a message printf value added top is equal to d top, and like that. New line, also new line here. Save it and run the program. Perform push operation, enter a value is 10. So stack have only one value and the top is equal to 0. So add another one, 20, and top is equal to 1. So again 1, 30, then top is equal to 2, 40, 1, 50. Now perform push operation and stack is full. Because top is equal to 4, we can store only 5 elements into the array because the size of the array is 5. So now we are going to perform pop operation. If top is equal to -1, then stack is overflow. We can print the message that stack is overflow. There is no value in the stack because top is equal to 0, -1, sorry for that. Else top is equal to top -1, and now you can display the top value into the stack. Top value d and top. Our program is completed successfully. Now run the program. So push 10. Now press 3 to display the value. Top value just here. Change n. Run the program again. Top value is 90. Value added and top is equal to 0. Now display the top value 90. So now press 2 to pop, means delete 90, and 3 display top value 0. So first of all here display a message that value deleted, value is deleted. Cut this one and paste here. $30. And push 30, then press 2, value is deleted. Select one option from the menu. 3, display top value 0 and push 90, then push 100. Now the top value in the stack is 100. Press 3 to display top value is 100. Press 2 to delete the top value which is 100. And now press 3 to display the top value which is 90. Top value is 90. This is all about stack implementation by using array. Thank you for watching this video.